Hi, Pat here. I have a Yamaha stereo cassette deck model TC 720. This thing was made in 1978. It does come on and the lights come on, but it has a broken belt, so it's not going to do anything else. It's a very interesting deck. There it says dual caption drive, 3-head echo recording. Some buttons there for the BIOS, the Dolby, and record cal, echo adjustment, and a couple adjustments down there for the recording level. Yeah, you take the mechanism out and replace the belt. I took all the covers in the front off this thing. Got the mechanism loose here. And now I need to get this plate off. Ain't much room to move here. Get this plate off, and probably that one there too. Get to these two pulleys. I got this cover loose. Get out of the way. That's the plunger there for the solenoid. And this slide right out here. And there's the old belt. Look at stuff just turns the tire. Gets all over the place. You can see some of the old belt in this pulley too. So I may have to take this off. Get that one out just to clean it up good. I got this other back plate loose here. Got the motor loose. And there's a date on the motor. November 78. Gives you a good idea when this thing was made. And there's the other pulley. This thing will slide right out. So I'll get this out. Get in here and start cleaning these other wheels out. And see if I can find a belt that fit this thing. Now I need a belt for this thing. And I don't know what size it is. So I wrapped this little piece of wire around all the pulleys. Got it tight. All I do is cut it. Pull it out. And that's how big my belt should be. This idler wheel right here, this tire, it'll come right off. And I got another one. It'll pop right back on there. There was an E-ring on there, I popped off. Let's see if I can find a couple that fit this one. I got this cover piece here, comes right off. And this little light piece comes right off. And that'll let me get in here, deal with these wheels and these belts. I got a speed test taping here. It's supposed to be 3000 Hertz. And this little screw in the back of the motor you can adjust to adjust the speed. And it's running right around 3000. I was having a problem. My plate of tape kept shutting off. The solenoid right there kept kicking in. It's got two sensors here. One up here and one down here. And they seem to be working fine. The belts weren't slipping. And they lead to this board here. Turn out these three caps here were bad. So I replaced those. And now it's playing without kicking off. I got blank taping here and doing a little recording. And you look at the meter, you see the right side ain't going good. If I hit the source tape, it's coming in good. I can even control it by this. On the tape side, I gotta turn this right side up to get them even. So I'm gonna have to look into that. I got to looking at the caps in this thing. And this one, I don't know if you can read it. It's a 10 microfarad, 16 volts. And it reads 5.8 microfarads with the ESR 36. Now all within spec. And this one here is a 220, 10 volt, and it's reading at 81 microfarads, so that's definitely out of spec. So I did recap the whole board, and I replaced 2 transistors down here. I got blank tape in. I'm letting it record, and the meters are working right. It does record. I got store-bought tape in, and it's playing real nice. That came out real nice. Thanks for watching the video.